Hello everybody, here is your ABS subject teacher Dharmendra sir. Students, you're most welcome my YouTube channel Achievers Academy once again. So students, I hope all of you healthy and also happy. So today students, I must be start my new topic when the earth shook, chapter number 14. Let's start this chapter. Especially, what is the Hindi meaning of when the earth shook? जब पृथ्वी हिल गई, जब पृथ्वी ओके स्टूडेंट्स, जब पृथ्वी हिल गई. दिस इज द हिंदी मीनिंग ऑफ दिस टॉपिक व्हेन द अर्थ shook. This is the title name of this chapter. So in Hindi meaning, when you listen, then you must be some create the thinking. What is the relation of these chapters? पृथ्वी कब हिलती है? When the earth shook. No doubt, when we seen the anywhere the earthquake is there, भूकंप जब आता है तो पृथ्वी हिल जाती है. Isn't it students? पृथ्वी तभी हिलती है जब जमीन के अंदर भूकंप आता है और भूकंप से पृथ्वी हिलने लगती है. So here before this starting of the chapter, I must be just think about you get the some facilities about the difficult words. What is the difficult word in this chapter? So let's see here. Screaming. What is the meaning of screaming? That means in other words you can say noisy. Screaming, noisy. That means शोर मचाना या चिल्लाना. Noisy, screaming is the difficult word in this chapter. And what is the earthquake? Earthquake, seism. seism, seism is a Hindi meaning भूकंप. Okay students, this Hindi meaning is bhukam, and earthquake you can say also seism. Is it clear? So here scared. What is the meaning of scared? That another meaning is frightened. frightened. Frightened, that means डरा हुआ. Okay students, frightened, that means डरा हुआ. Scared, also frightened. Shaking, what is the another difficult word? Shaking. This is the related to the shook, shaking and shook. Shaking, that means vibrate. You listen, what is the vibration? डगमगाना, हिलना, उसको क्या कहते हैं? वाइब्रेशन. एंड हियर इज अ शेकिंग. अनदर वर्ड इज अ वाइब्रेट. Is it clear students? And here is another rescue. Rescue, that means defense, बचाव करना. बचाव कार्य करना, इसको क्या कहते हैं? डिफेंस, और यू कैन से रेस्क्यू. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, एंड हियर इज अनदर things. Disasters. What is the meaning of disaster? What is the meaning of disaster? that means trouble. Difficulty also you can write. आपदा इसको कहते हैं, भूचाल या आपदा, इन हिंदी मीनिंग डिजास्टर्स, ट्रबल, डिफिकल्टी, एडवर्सिटी also you can say, disasters, and panic, that means डरावना. It's goes to here fear. Okay students, so here I just whatever I think it's you can get by these difficult words, noisy, screaming, earthquake, seize, bhukam, scared, frightened, shaking, vibrate, rescue, defense, disasters, trouble or difficulties, panic, fear. So you can get more benefits about your reading process and understanding level. So here let's see another difficult words in this chapter. Here students, another difficult words in this chapter, trapped. Trapped, that means lock, that means लॉक हो गया, फंस गया, यू कैन से आल्सो. स्ट्रक, किल और हिट, मार डालना, किल करना, और हिट, हिट मारना, हिट करना, हिटिंग करना. एंड हियर इज अवेक. व्हाट इज द अवेक? केयरफुल. ओके स्टूडेंट्स. एंड ड्रॉट, व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ ड्रॉट? ड्राइनेस. सूखा, इन हिंदी मीनिंग सूखा. ट्रैप्ड, लॉक, फंस गया, स्ट्रक, किल और हिट, यू कैन से अवेक, केयरफुल, ड्रॉट, ड्राइनेस. इज इट क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स? सो हियर 11 difficult words. I thought you just know about this, so you can get the help of reading process and understanding level. So here you just learn these difficult words, and my another topics I must be come here when the earth shook. So students, let's start. What is the when? What is the earthquake? Firstly, I will discuss students what is the earthquake. Earthquake. Here is topic my earthquake. Earthquake is any sudden shaking of the ground caused by seismic waves through the earth, rocks. Okay students, here what is the earthquake? Earthquake is any sudden shaking of the ground. इसमें जो है सडनली अचानक शेकिंग ऑफ द ग्राउंड की शेकिंग हो जाती है, दैट मीन्स हिल जाती है पृथ्वी, वाइब्रेट हो जाती है. अर्थ इज एनी सडन शेकिंग ऑफ द ग्राउंड caused by seismic waves. Seismic waves, what is the mean of seismic waves? भूकंपीय waves, भूकंपीय तरंगे. Seismic waves through the earth rocks. Where is the earth rocks passes through these earth rocks come to the waves. Okay students, earthquake is a sudden shaking of the ground caused by seismic waves. भूकंपी तरंगों के द्वारा होता है through the earth rocks, और जो अर्थ रॉक्स के से होकर के ये पासेस होती हैं, पास करती हैं, इसके थ्रू आती हैं, जिसके द्वारा पृथ्वी में कंपन शुरू हो जाता है, वाइब्रेट होने जाती है पृथ्वी. सो यू कैन से earthquake is a sudden shaking the ground of the ground caused by seismic waves through the earth rocks. Okay students, let's see another topic, effect of earthquake. What is the effect of earthquake? What is the effect of earthquake? A powerful earthquake, students, we can write here a powerful earthquake can destroy okay students, can destroy buildings, factories, and also we can write here roads, shops, bridges, etc. These things a powerful earthquake can destroy. And disruption to public and another things, cause of earthquake and disruption of and another effect, disruption of public transport and communication okay students, here disruption of public transport system and communication connection, these kinds of disruption is also there because of the effect of earthquake. That means रुकावट हो जाती है, पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट सिस्टम में प्रॉब्लम आ जाती है, बाधा आ जाती है, एंड कम्युनिकेशन कनेक्शन, कम्युनिकेशन का जो कनेक्शन चारों तरफ फैला हुआ है उसमें भी प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट हो जाती है. सो हियर इज द इफेक्ट ऑफ अर्थक्वेक. Then you can say a powerful earthquake can destroy buildings, factories, roads, shops and bridges etc, and disruption of public transport system mainly and communication connection. All these disruptions रुकावटें आ जाती हैं effect of earthquake से, isn't it? I hope you must be understood what is the earthquake and effect of earthquake. Okay, let's see another topic. Raising who all helped at such time of earthquake. Who all helped at such time of earthquake. ऐसे कौन से लोग होते हैं जो अर्थक्वेक के समय, अर्थक्वेक होने पर हेल्प के लिए आगे आते हैं, हेल्प करते हैं. देन हु ऑल हेल्प्ड एट सच टाइम ऑफ अर्थक्वेक. ऐसे समय पे जब अर्थक्वेक भूकंप आता है उस समय पे हु हेल्प्स at such time of earthquake. Here is topic also, help arrives. When earthquake occur anywhere, then what kinds of help arrives, किस कैसे helps arrives होते हैं और कौन कौन से लोग help करते हैं. Okay students, so let's see here, especially neighbor, neighbors help each other. Okay, and local leaders political okay students, political leaders, and here is fourth one, various non-government non-government organization, and here you can say neighbors help each other, local leaders, political leaders, various non-government organization. These things, these kinds of organization and neighborhood, family members and others, whatever the local leaders, political leaders, they just come for a help arrives, especially he came or arrives for help in these situations. And also here doctors, nurses, डॉक्टर नर्सेस ऑफ एनी नियर बाई हॉस्पिटल्स, ऐसे नियर बाई हॉस्पिटल से डॉक्टर और नर्सेस भी आते हैं फॉर अराइव फॉर हेल्प करने के लिए ये लोग भी आगे आते हैं। सो हु ऑल हेल्प एट सच टाइम ऑफ अर्थक्वेक, नेबर्स हेल्प ईच अदर, पड़ोसी एक दूसरे का मदद करते हैं। लोकल लीडर्स, वहाँ के जो लोकल लीडर्स हैं, बड़े बड़े पॉलिटिकल लीडर्स भी आते हैं वहाँ पे ये सिचुएशंस को से जो है बाहर कैसे लोग निकले, कैसे उनका सहयोग किया जाए। फॉर दिस पर्पस पॉलिटिकल लीडर्स इज आल्सो केम देयर, अराइव्स वेरियस नॉन गवर्नमेंट ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस, गवर्नमेंट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन तो देख रेख करती है, बट वेरियस विभिन्न प्रकार के अलग अलग संस्थाएं जो नॉन गवर्नमेंट होते हैं वो भी आते हैं। डॉक्टर्स आते हैं, नर्सेस ऑफ एनी नियर बाय हॉस्पिटल, जो नज़दीकी नियर बाय हॉस्पिटल्स के डॉक्टर और नर्सेस हैं वो भी आते हैं फॉर द हेल्प। Okay students, so I hope you must be understood all these things. Here I just discuss about the difficult words of this chapter, and another thing is what is the earthquake and effect of earthquake, and third is help arrives, who all helped at the such a time of earthquake। ऐसे कौन से लोग होते हैं जो अर्थक्वेक के समय सहयोग करते हैं और सहयोग के लिए आगे आते हैं। Who all helped at such time of earthquake, and previously you must be know about that what is the earthquake and what is the effect of earthquake. Okay students, so I hope you must be understood. So just watch my full video. If you having any problem, then you must be come on my WhatsApp and for phonic conversation. So thank you so much. Have a great day. Thanks a lot.